Types of weather. Weather is the day-to-day state of the atmosphere in a particular place. It includes several elements that interact to create different weather conditions. Understanding these elements helps us predict and explain the weather we experience. The 5 elements of weather. Temperature measures how hot or cold the air is. It's influenced by factors like the time of day, season, latitude, and altitude. High temperatures are common in the tropics and during summer, while low temperatures are found in polar regions and during winter. Air pressure is the weight of the air above us. It changes with altitude and temperature. High-pressure systems usually bring clear, calm weather, while low-pressure systems are associated with clouds and precipitation. Wind is the movement of air from areas of high pressure to areas of low pressure. Wind can vary in strength and direction, influencing temperature, moisture levels, and how weather systems move. For example, strong winds can bring cold air into an area, lowering the temperature. Precipitation includes all forms of water that fall from the sky, such as rain, snow, sleet, and hail. It occurs when moist air cools and water vapor condenses into droplets or ice crystals, eventually falling to the ground. Clouds are collections of tiny water droplets or ice crystals suspended in the air. They form when air rises, cools, and condenses. Different types of clouds can indicate different weather patterns. For example, cumulus clouds are often associated with fair weather, while nimbostratus clouds bring steady rain or snow. Rainfall occurs in different ways depending on how the air is lifted and cooled. There are 3 main types of rainfall: relief or orographic. Rainfall. Relief rainfall happens when moist air is forced to rise over a mountain range. As the air rises, it cools and the moisture condenses, leading to rainfall on the windward side of the mountain. The air then descends on the leeward side, the side away from the wind, where it warms up and becomes drier, often creating a rain shadow, an area with little rainfall. Example: the western slopes of the Andes Mountains in South America receive heavy rainfall, while the eastern slopes are much drier. Convectional rainfall. Convectional rainfall occurs when the sun heats the Earth's surface, causing the air above it to warm up and rise. As the air rises, it cools and water vapor condenses to form clouds, which can lead to short, intense bursts of rain. This type of rainfall is common in tropical regions and during summer afternoons in temperate zones. Example: afternoon thunderstorms in the Amazon rainforest. Frontal rainfall. Frontal rainfall happens when 2 air masses of different temperatures meet, a warm air mass and a cold air mass. The warm air is forced to rise over the colder, denser air. As it rises, it cools and water vapor condenses, leading to clouds and rain. This type of rainfall is typical in temperate regions where warm and cold fronts frequently collide. Example: the rainy weather often seen in the UK is due to frontal rainfall caused by warm, moist air from the Atlantic meeting cooler air from the north. Understanding the elements of weather and how different types of rainfall occur is crucial for predicting weather patterns, preparing for extreme weather events, and managing water resources. For example, farmers need to know the weather to plan when to plant and harvest crops, while city planners must consider weather when designing infrastructure to handle rainfall and wind. Weather also plays a major role in our daily lives, influencing what we wear, how we travel, and what activities we can do.